Good day. Thank you for your interest in my poster, Value Influences on Feature Gain Control in Temporal Attentional Capture. I'm the lead author, Jing Wen, and together with my co-authors, we are from the National University of Singapore. According to Luck and colleagues in a recent review paper, a common framework as shown on the right was proposed. It was argued that explicit goals and implicit learning bias attention, and these influences form a control state. Importantly, while past studies of reward and attention have mainly focused on attentional tasks in the spatial domain, little is known about non-spatial feature gain control. We therefore explore feature gain control as highlighted in a temporal attentional task involving manipulations of values paired with specific target or distractor color features in 4 experiments. Chiefly, we asked, do reward values modulate 1. Attentional capture by target paired features in experiment 1 and 2, and attentional capture by distractor paired features in experiments 3 and 4. The 4 experiments involve RSVPs as detailed in these trial procedures. Behavioral measures in these experiments were reaction time and accuracy. The manipulated variables were reward and proportion of trials. Do reward values modulate temporal target capture? Well, the key finding for experiment 1 conducted in lab was that reward modulated target capture by primarily influencing reaction time instead of response accuracy. This was replicated in experiment 2. Experiment 3 on the left clearly shows that only distractions before the target affected reaction time. This queuing phenomenon observed was unexpected, and we did not observe modulations by reward. Lastly, in experiment 4, does contingent capture strengthen value-modulated distractions and control for queuing? The key finding here was that distractions by contingent capture interrupted attentional capture reliably in lab 1. Whether reward modulated this effect was unclear. Putting these key findings together, when reward was paired to the target, the effect of feature gain control was evident on reaction time in a similar fashion to what is observed in past studies in the spatial domain. When reward is paired to the distractor, however, the nature of this effect is less obvious, but from our experiments, we now know some conditions for these distractions to be effective. We are now carrying out more work to identify under what circumstances would value-modulated distractions induce substantial attentional deficits that will overcome robust temporal cueing effects. Have a good day.